Hey guys, today's video is this wig. I'm gonna show you how I install it, style it. It actually came body wave, but I decided to straighten it because I really wanted to do this feathered look because it came pre-colored, and this hair is from Nadula Hair. They really did that. Okay, they colored this wig and everything, and the lace is not even HD. So I'm gonna show you how I blend the lace because it came a little bit dark, but I did blend it to look as natural as possible. So I am gonna show you guys how I blend the lace because it did come a little darker than normal, but the hair itself is really super pretty. And if you guys do not know this life hack when it comes to wigs, if you want to get like full straight hair, make sure you get body wave hair, because when you flat iron it, it's really super thick. And I cut the front part and it's still super thick. So I'm gonna have all the links to this wig in my description box, so make sure you guys check them out, and let's get right into this video. I will be looking a little bit crusty, so beware.
Yo, hear me now. Everybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeezy liquor and real bless. Turn a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out. Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair. This is their wig. I already told you guys the specs, so I will link it down below if you guys like it, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
They ask, I get that.